Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Grace.
And we're California Travel Videos. And Kaliki says he wants to go to AK. Alaska. Well, we're not up in Alaska. We're still very much in California, leaving Colfax and heading for
the snow up by Truckee somewhere.
Up by Truckee somewhere. So we'll catch you on the flip side and be there or be what?
Square, and I got my eyes on you.
The eyes have it. See you on the flip side.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air.
Wow.
Well, okay, here we are at the Sugar Bowl off-ramp, and look at that snow. My gosh, it's got to be 10 feet tall or more on a lot of it. We were thinking we would take Kaliki for a walk in the snow. It's going to be a little bit interesting, though. In some places, you got to climb 10 feet to get up to it. Well, maybe here. Is there a car there? Ah, who would have thought?
Oh my God.
That's the way we're going to be if we can't get moving out of here. Somebody's tail is wagging.
Somebody's ready to go play in the snow.
Okay, Mr. Alaska, Miss Alaska.
Look at Daddy.
Let's go do it.
All right.
Okay, go ahead. Flee and be free. Well, I guess this is it. Go on up. Come on. Oh boy. Go ahead. No, this way.
Whoa, it sinks down. I didn't even make it up one step and I fell. Not one step.
I missed some action shot from you?
Yeah, just turn the camera on me and, you know, it won't be long.
You need my hand?
I'm slipping already. Is it going to be slippery the whole way?
It depends how you decide or define slippery. No, just going up this. Here, take my hand.
Hold on.
Miss Grace.
Wait, my arm socket.
Okay.
Okay, well, it's a softball. Okay.
Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Woohoo.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, this is his kind of country. Woohoo. How you guys doing today? Beautiful up here, isn't it? Whoa!
Pardon me?
You can see that some of these holes, I descend about 2 feet in the snow. You're never sure which step is going to be a dive.
I know, right?
That's what makes it exciting.
Says.
You need some help? Keep those knees bent a little bit. Where are you going?
I have this sinking feeling.
Grace.
Oh, okay.
Just follow other people's footsteps.
That might be a good idea.
Yeah.
Thank you. She's teaching me. I made it. Okay, can we go home now?
I think Kaliki says no. Well, sure enough, lost my gloves already. But I saw you guys. Can't get too far away from me. Hello down there.
She said if I stayed in other people's footprints, I wouldn't sink.
Yeah, but you are the other people's footprints. We are building step by step here, as you can see. Meanwhile, Kaliki is
bounce down and over.
I know how to jump in the stuff.
Kaliki,
step,
come!
Step.
Come on, Kaliki!
Yo, Kaliki!
We lost him to the snow, honey.
I guess so. Okay. Come on, big boy. Come on. You can do it. Aha. Come on.
Come on, Kaliki.
Come on, you're a snow dog. That's your stuff. Come on. There you go. That's my boy. Good job. Good boy.
Woo.
Mr. Arctic himself. And how about you there, Mrs. Arctic?
I'm doing wonderful. How about you? Hold it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Good
boy.
That's a boy. Stick that face down there. Bury him.
Here, Kaliki. Good boy.
Okay, come. Come. Lay down. Lay down, Kaliki. Lay down. Come here. Lay down. Okay. Wait. You go wait. Oh, it takes a lot to bury him. Gonna have to go from behind so you don't give him a butt. Stay. Do a good stay. Oh, I might bury me. It just rolls right off of him. I think I got buried.
What's the bury job? Who's burying who here?
Kaliki buried me. I have a nice chair here.
While we're here.
Oh, it's really cold on the butt. I should have wore like a mitten on my behind.
Is it good for you too?
Oh, I'm getting very wet.
We're out of here.
Kaliki. Go get it. Oh.
Uh-oh, snowman's gonna be yellow, I'm afraid. Well, maybe not. He's thinking about it.
Kaliki, come on. Ready? Go get it. So make it bigger. Ready? Go get it. Ready? Go. I think we're right in the path of where they want to.
Well, they can come, let us know. We'll duck. Well, you're kind of stuck.
I'm
You ain't
not
going
stuck.
nowhere. You're an immovable obstruction.
I'm a snow woman.
She's a snow woman.
Well, while I'm down here.
Yes, down for the count. Oh! You got me right in the noggin. You're naughty. Well, Grace, what do you think of today?
I think it's been a fun day. Thanks for coming along. And if you want to see more of our adventures, make sure to hit that little subscribe button right below and come on along on our journey. We never know where we're going next.
Awesome day. We had a great day up there at Truckee. Saw a lot of snow, and Kaliki was beyond the happy pupster. So tomorrow, who knows, maybe towards Sacramento. We'll see where we find ourselves, but tomorrow comes day 3 of our sojourn. So keep your eyes out for us, and we'll see you again real soon.
See you later.
Okay, happy trails. Bye for now. And look who has got the 3rd seat. Hello there, Mr. Kaliki.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns, tasted salty ocean air.